मंगळारा कलंगूट पुलीस स्थानकार पुलीस निरीक्षक जीवबा दळवीन फुडाकार घेवन कार्यावळ आयोजित केली। ह्या वेळार आयजीपी जसपाल सिंग आणि हेर मानेस्तू हजर आसले। ज्येष्ठ नागरिकांक खातीर ही कार्यावळ आयोजित केली। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर कलंगूटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
तुझी माया हे गणराया।
तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या नावान आम्ही इन्स्पेक्टर साहेब दलवी आणि इन्स्पेक्टर जनरल साहेब श्री जसपाल सिंग, सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलीस श्री प्रसून हांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी शबासकी दिता हो वार उर्बेन फुडें व्हरच्या। देवान सगळें बरें करचें आनी परमेश्वर गणेशान आमचे सगळ्यांचे आशीर्वाद घालचो।
We have your data on our computer. Every day we pick up 2 or 3 senior citizens and we talk to them. We ask for their welfare. We ask them whether they need anything. Sometimes you may not be well, you may not be able to drive your car, you may not be able to ride a two-wheeler. So you can give a telephonic call to beat constable who can arrange medicine for you. You may be thinking of depositing your electricity bill, telephone bill. You may not be well enough to go to the counter. So all these small chores, they will be facilitated by our officers.
This is a unique idea came in my mind when I visited one old age home which is in our area, and where I seen that how we keep our parents and get them admitted or lodged in an old age home since we have money. I had initially decided to call all senior citizens from old age home at the police station, and I went to the Pro area where I saw that the senior citizens are not able to move from the place. So they advised me that it is not health wise, it is not advisable to shift them from the Pro area or other old age home to this place. Then I've decided to contact our senior citizen in our area, and I'm happy